Good morning, students. This is your GK class, and we are going to do some revision work. But before that, I would like to request you all that maintain distance, wear face mask, and go through each and every question answers, each and every videos. You will get the answers of your question in these videos only. Okay? Now we will do some revision work. You have to answer some of the questions which is given in the video. Okay, now first question is, who were Cinderella's stepsister? And the answer is Anastasia and Drizella. In the place of who, you will write Anastasia and Drizella, and then you will copy were Cinderella's stepsister. And in this way, if you are changing one word, you are completing your answer. Now I am going to show you the picture of Cinderella. This is the picture of Cinderella, my dear, and her two stepsister, Anastasia and Drizella. All of you know the story of Cinderella. She was having stepmother and two stepsister, which was not kind to her, who was cruel to her. Now next question is, who changed Pinocchio into a real boy? And in this question also, if you will wait. In this question, this is the picture of Blue Fairy. She changed Pinocchio into a real boy. And in this question also, if you will change only one word, that is who, with the Blue Fairy, you will get the answer. The Blue Fairy changed Pinocchio into a real boy. And the picture of Blue Fairy already you all have seen. This was the picture of Blue Fairy who changed Pinocchio into a real boy, isn't it? Now the next question is, what did the mirror on the wall tell Snow White? In this question, my dear, you won't have to change only one word. You will have to write the proper answer. Okay? In this question, you will have to write proper answer. And from here, the mirror on the wall told Snow White that she was the fairest one of all, because always she used to go and ask in the mirror that who is the fairest, and the mirror on the wall told Snow White that she was the fairest. Now I am going to show the picture of the Snow White. This is the picture of Snow White. Now next question is, when did Genie appear? And all of you know the story when Genie was appearing, when Aladdin used to rub his lamp. So answer is, Genie appeared when Aladdin rubbed his lamp. And Genie used to come and ask Aladdin's wish. Whatever wish he was telling to the Genie, Genie used to fulfill the wish of Aladdin, isn't it? And this is the picture of Aladdin and his genie with the magic lamp also. Now next question is, who was Dopey? And all of you know that Dopey was one of the 7 dwarfs who did not have beard, isn't it? Now I am showing you the picture of Dopey. We will go to the next question now. And the next question is, where did the 3 bears find Goldilocks? And where did 3 bears found Goldilocks, my dear? They found in their home, isn't it? So the answer is, the 3 bears found Goldilocks in their home. Find will turn into found. Here is the Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Now next question is, Write two lessons we learn from fairy tales. There are many lessons which we learn from nature, which we learn from animals, which we learn from fairy tales. It depends upon us, my dear, that we are taking it as positive or negative. Okay, so there are many lessons, but two I am writing here, and you can write more in the books also. In the book also it is given. So always be suspicious of talking animals, and never be afraid to ask for help. Whenever we are in the need of help from anyone, we should always request to for help. Now next question is, who has launched Green Delhi app? And the answer is Chief Minister of Delhi. Who is the Chief Minister of Delhi, my dear? Arvind Kejriwal. And he has launched Green Delhi app. Because Delhi is very polluted city. It is very difficult to breathe there. And people are not taking strong steps to control the pollution. And for the control of pollution, Green Delhi app is launched. Now, which country will host the 2020 Women's Asian Cup? And this was India. This is the picture of India. India have hosted 2020 Women's Asia Cup. Now next question is, which player is nominated by BCCI for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? And it is Rohit Sharma. And he is a cricket player. Every year Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is awarded to some good players, and this year Rohit Sharma was nominated for this award. This is the picture of Rohit Sharma, my dear. Now, with which sport is the word checkmate associated? And there are many sports, and like in cricket, which LBW we use, for four-run we are using some sign, for sixer also, not out also, out also, like that. Many words also we use like that. Only in chess the word checkmate is used in the game of sports of chess. Now I will show you the chess board. This is chessboard, my dear, and it is square in shape. Chess board is also square, and there are 64 squares, 32 white square and 32 black squares in this. And these two rows and these two rows are filled with the whatever we are playing that. And then what we have to do, we have to play in this. We have to cover the and check the emperor in this game. Okay. Now next is most of your favorite game, because our national game is, what is our national game, my dear? All of you know our national game is hockey. But cricket is the most popular game in India. And all of you, I think, know about cricket and cricket players also. But many of you are not knowing about the hockey. And word power play is associated with which game? And that is cricket. Word power play is associated, we use the word power play in cricket. And who is known as the god of the cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. And which cricketer is nominated for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Rohit Sharma. This is the, wait, This is the field of cricket. And this is the Indian team of cricket. Now, thank you, my dear. Hope you all are fit and fine. Be safe, be careful, so that we should get together in this month only. Thank you for this. Hoping to meet